Welcome to Recreation and Quiz Studio. Can you guess the common 40 sounds that you hear every day? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Are you ready? Listen carefully. It's glass breaking. Listen closely. It is toilet flushing. Correct, typing on keyboard. It is dog barking. It is clock ticking. Bubble wrap popping, did you get it right? Listen closely. Correct, bouncing basketball. It is bowling pins falling. Listen closely. It is phone ringtone. Motorbike revving, did you get it right? It is shuffling cards, that was tricky. Blender in kitchen, did you get it right? It is vacuum cleaner. Listen carefully. It is shower running. Listen carefully. It is thunder, did you get it right? You got it, spray paint can. Ready for next? Doorbell ringing, correct? Let's see if you can get this. Microwave beeping, good one. Listen carefully now. It was soda can opening, that was tricky. Let's go for next. It was train whistle. Listen now. It was a coach whistling. Ready for next? Cricket chirping. Listen now. You got it right, fireworks. Ready? That was easy, cat meowing. Guess the next one. That was easy, a dog barking. Guess the next one. Rainfall correct, relaxing. Ready for next? That was helicopter noise, did you get it right? Let's hear next sound. It was laundry machine, tricky huh? Let's see if you can get this. That was ocean waves, did you get it? Listen closely. It was car engine. Ready for next? Correct, it is hair dryer. Let's see if you can guess this. Footsteps on gravel, tricky. Correct, roller coaster. Listen carefully. Radio static, correct. Let's see if you can guess this. You got it, electric drill. Listen now. You got it, airplane. Listen now. Lawnmower, great job. Ready for next. Fire crackling, tricky. Guess sound number 39. Applause, easy right? Ready for special sound. Correct, laughing. How many did you get right? Comment below. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Your support mean a lot. Take care.